Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Grandma Loves You, written by Helen Foster James, illustrated by Petra Brown. Grandma Loves You. The moment I saw you, I fell in love with you. Honey, my bunny, my sweet turtle dove. Wiggling and giggling, you captured my heart. I loved you so much, dear, right from the start. Now you're my moon and my star in the sky. My sweet little pea, my sugar plum pie. I hope I hold and hug you. I hold you and hug you. I whisper I love you in your little ear. I tickle your toes and you hold my hand and agree, and you're the reason that I'm called Grandma loves you, my cute little one. Honey, my bunny, my bundle of fun. My baby grew up and now there is you. For you are my baby's baby, that's true. So here is my promise I want you to know. I'll love you forever whenever you go. This was really quick. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!